How to upload YouTube Shorts on your iPad device. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I am inside my iPhone device right here, but basically these steps are the same for the iPad and iPhone devices. First things first, you want to head over to the YouTube application. Now once inside YouTube, just go ahead and click on the home button right here, and inside you have to click on the plus icon at the center of your screen. From here, all you have to do is to click on the shorts category, and inside we can then go ahead and record our own shorts, or we can just go ahead and click on this button and it will take us to our photos right here, where we can then go ahead and select the photos that we want to upload into our shorts on our devices. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.